Students, very good afternoon to all of you. Today I'll to talk to you about the topic motivations. It is the come from the fifth unit of the psychology subject. So in every day or in daily activity we use the word motivations. So what is motivations? Motivation simple. It is really said that it is one person's willingness, desire, wanting. Okay. In other words, it is said that what are the requirement will be needed to the persons and that will be satisfied. Okay. It will reduce the drive of tension. Okay. So and it will be provide the energy to the persons. It provides strength to the person also. Okay. And it will also helps for the individual to finding the goal. So motivation कहले जनकर willingness, desire, wanting को मध्य बुझाए एवं जनक गोटे व्यक्तिर willingness, desire, wanting को क्रिएट करने मध्य मोटिवेशन बुझाए और मोटिवेशन द्वारा कौन हुए जो व्यक्तिर जहाँ दरकार हुए ताको साटिस्फाई भाव मिलवा उचित. ओके. जदि साटिस्फाई ताको न मिलला पुणी तार वांटिंगटा रहिबो पुणी मोटिवेशन प्रोसेसटा चलिबो एवं टेंशन रिडक्शन हेनी एवं मोटिवेशन द्वारा आम एनर्जी इंडिविजुअल को एनर्जी जगाए एवं यह गोटे गोल ओरिएंटेड बिहेवियर मेंटेन करे साहाय्य करे गोल पहुँचाई साहाय्य करे व्यक्ति हार्ड वर्क करे एवं व्यक्ति को स्ट्रेंथन जगाए. ओके. देन कम टू द इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट ऑफ द मोटिवेशंस. Various types of exams are given. When a girl want to doctor, a boys want to the engineering, and another example, it is a one type of willingness of the individual. That a girl as well as a boys. Girl want to the become doctor and boys want to the engineer. So it is a willingness or a desire want a person that becoming a doctor or becoming an engineer. Okay. Another examples, when the person become hungry, they want to take food. So here food is a requirement or a needed items and that will be meet the individual and individual become satisfied. Okay. That have to meet the individual and individual become satisfied. So that here the food is the requirement or a needed item for the individual. If individual find the food, then he will become satisfied. And here the another words that is hunger, sex, and these are the long-term motive of people because hunger cannot be maintained properly to the individual and sex also cannot maintain individual proper. So it cannot be satisfied proper way. If he after finding much more, then will be the individual become satisfied. So these hunger and sex are long-term motives. Okay. And it is these are the what are given the example of the motives that are plays main role in the human behavior. Okay. So in the motives human beings becomes the goal oriented behavior. Okay. So what are the example I have given, it shows that here the behavior always be comes out and gives force towards the goal. Behavior is driven and pulled towards the goal. Okay. Here behavior always behavior exists in the individual and through the driving and pulling force by which the behavior will be exist and it will be goes towards the goal, and that is term known as the motivations. So in the motivation stage what happen, many example already I given. The girl want a doctor and boys wants to a engineer and person has a hungry that need the food. Okay. If food is given, the person will be satisfied, otherwise tension will be not reduced and then the motivations will be not completed. Okay. So in here the behavior plays a main role in the motivation, because through the behavior the wanting will be what of the want of the person will be satisfied. Okay. So from above example we have taught that here the behavior of a person will be pushed and pulled. Okay. That comes and gives force towards achieving certain object. Okay, or towards achieving certain goals. Okay. सो दैट एथुरु जानिले जे एग्जांपल गोटे जानिले जे व्यक्तिर जो बिहेवियर रही से बिहेवियर कौन हुए ना व्यक्तिर बिहेवियर ड्राइविंग ए पुलिंग फोर्स माध्यम बिहेवियर व्यक्तिर आसी जाए एवं से बिहेवियर कौन हुए ना मोटिवेशन माध्यम बिहेवियर आसी बा से बिहेवियर व्यक्तिर जहाँ भी रही सब गोल निकट में पहुँची जाए जहाँ से चाही थाए सकू हासिल करने सब से व्यस्त रही थाए से जो से बिहेवियर द्वारा जो मोटिवेशन द्वारा बा जो एग्जांपल हम देखले जहाँ वांटिंग बा डिजायर रही द्वारा कौन हो ना व्यक्तिर बिहेवियर बाहर को जहाँ बिहेवियर रही से बिहेवियर माध्यम से तार कौन सी वस्तु पाइबापी हेले से गोल निकट में पहुँची जाए से ये जो पहुँची जाए तार जो लक्ष्य स्थल में पहुँचे जो वस्तु पाइबापी ताकू आम मोटिवेशन कही था विलिंग व्यक्तिर विलिंगनेस कह जाए से विलिंगनेस को आम मोटिवेशन बोली कही था। ओके सब ए कौन है ना बिहेवियरटा ड्रिभेन एंड पुल बोथ ड्रिभेन एंड पुल होता है माने मीन्स बिहेवियर सब कौन हुए ना गोटे फोर्स माध्यम बाहर को बाहरी आसे एवं सब वस्तु पाइबापी व्यक्ति इच्छुक थाए ताकू आम मोटिवेशन बोली कही था। ओके सो देयर इज मेनी डेफिनेशंस ऑफ मोटिवेशंस। ओके ऑलरेडी आई सी दैट मोटिवेशन रिफर्स टू द ड्राइविंग एंड पुलिंग फोर्स व्हिच रिजल्ट द persistent behavior direct towards a particular goal. Motivations meaning already I have said that in the motivations behavior always driven and force from the inner side of a persons and always try to reaches towards the goal. Okay, always reaches towards the particular goal. Okay, but behavior will be always behavior is exist. Okay. And motivation also state that produce a tendency towards action. Always in the motivation stage the person always do their activity. Okay, motivations also say that behavior in the by the behavior person always do their activity through by the internal mechanism state and individual becomes in the individual maintain the homeostatic condition and maintain the interbalance. Okay, so motivations it said that according to the willingness of a person, according to the needed of the person's behavior always be driven and forced out, driven and pulled out. So the by force the person's reaches towards the goal to finding the object. Okay, so that here the willingness and the wanting or desire of a person will be created, that is known as the motivations. And in the motivations when the person's wanting will be more needed, that create the activity, that create the action. Okay, so that behavior will be activated and internal mechanism of the individual also be activated and that maintain the balance of the body. Okay, after getting the needed requirement then persons become satisfied. So person's body will be remain in the homeostasis or balance or equilibrium conditions. सो एथरे मोटिवेशन डेफिनेशन मोटिवेशन कहला अन्य आउ कौन बुझु ना मोटिवेशन कहले जे व्यक्तिर बिहेवियर कौन हुए जो गोटे व्यक्ति कौन सी जिनस को पाइबा इच्छुक थाए से तार बिहेवियर कौन हुए ना बाहर को बिहेवियर कौन हुए बिहेवियर माध्यम से कौन सी वस्तु को पाइबा को बहुत इच्छुक थाए. ओके गोटे फोर्स ता भितर क्रिएट हुए जहाँद्वारा कि से बिहेवियर यही टाइप बिहेवियर शो करी से कौन करे कौन सी वस्तु को ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ ବା ହାସଲ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଇଚ୍ଛୁକ ରହିଥାଏ ଏବଂ ପରିଶେଷରେ ସେ ଗୋଲ୍ ନିକଟରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଯାଏ ଏବଂ ତା'ର ଯାହା ରିକ୍ୱାରମେଣ୍ଟ ରହିଛି ଯଦି ସେ ରିକ୍ୱାରମେଣ୍ଟକୁ ସେ ପାଇଲା ତାହେଲେ ସେ ସାଟିସ୍ଫାଏ ହେଲା କିମ୍ବା କମ୍ଫର୍ଟେବୁଲ୍ ଫିଲ୍ କଲା। ଯଦି ସେ ଜିନିଷକୁ ନ ପାଇଲା ତ ସେ କ'ଣ କରିବ, କ'ଣ ସେ ତାପରେ ବଡ଼ିକୁ କମ୍ଫର୍ଟେବୁଲ୍ ଫିଲ୍ କଲା ନାହିଁ, ପୁଣି ଏଗେନ୍ ମୋଟିଭେସନ୍ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କଲା। ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଏଠି ଦୁଇଟା ଦେଲି, ଯଦି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଭୋକିଲା ଅଛି ତାକୁ ଫୁଡ଼୍ ଦରକାର, କିମ୍ବା ଯଦି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିକୁ ଶୋଷ ଲାଗୁଛି ତାକୁ ୱାଟର୍ ଦରକାର। ଯଦି ତାକୁ ୱାଟର୍ ମିଳିଗଲା କିମ୍ବା ଫୁଡ଼୍ ମିଳିଗଲା ତାହେଲେ ତା ବଡ଼ିରେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା ନା ହୋମିଓଷ୍ଟାସିସ୍ କଣ୍ଡିସନ୍ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ ହେଲା, ବଡ଼ିର ଇକ୍ୱିଲିବ୍ରିୟମ୍ ବାଲାନ୍ସ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ ହେଲା, ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି କମ୍ଫର୍ଟେବୁଲ୍ ଫିଲ୍ କଲା। ଯଦି ନ ମିଳିଲା ତ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି କମ୍ଫର୍ଟେବୁଲ୍ ଫିଲ୍ କରିବ ନାହିଁ। ଓକେ, according to Young, motivation also depends on the process of arousing of the action and sustaining the activity in process and regulating the pattern of activity. Okay, according to Young, that he told that motivation is defined as the it will be helpful it helps to the individual to create awareness in the activity or to carry on the activity of the individual, and that provides support to the activity. Okay, and also be activity levels will be controlled or regulated. Okay, so Young is a psychologist. According to him, motivations is one type of process. Okay, and that will helpful for the create awareness in the activity. So activity will be activity stage of in the inner body part will be created automatically. Okay, and that support the activity. Okay, in the motivation stage, when motivation process occurs, the activity stage will be going on. Okay, so activity stage in the body will be going on, and the pattern of activity also be controlled through by the automechanism process of the body. So यंग साइकोलॉजिस्ट नेम है यंग मत अनुसार मोटिवेशन अच्छे गोटे एक प्रोसेस जो प्रोसेस रे कौन हुए ना आम बॉडी एक्टिविटी स्टेजटा ऑटोमेटिक डेवलप हो जाए एवं बॉडी प्रत्येक बॉडी विलिंगनेसटा एक एक्टिविटी स्टेज रे परिणत हो जाए एवं ये एक्टिविटी गोटे कंट्रोल ये एक्टिविटी लेवलटा एक कंट्रोल बा गोटे एक्टिविटी लेवलटा कंट्रोल हो चले। ओके, बॉडी जो एक्टिविटीटा क्रिएट हुए से एक्टिविटीटा कंट्रोल होकर रही है, एक्सेस एक्टिवेशन एक्साइटमेंट हुए ना, गोटे नॉर्मल लेवल रे ही गति करी थाए। ओके, सो मोटिवेशन एथरे कौन हुए ना एक्शन रे परिणत हुए एवं ये एक्शनटा एक एक्टिविटी स्टेज को गति करे, एक्टिविटी स्टेजटा बॉडी भितर चली थाए एवं ये एक्टिविटीटा सब कंट्रोल होता है। ओके, देन अनदर साइकोलॉजिस्ट known as Morgan and King in the year 1975, according to them the motivations also depend upon the willingness of a person where person and animal that drive their behavior towards the some goals. Okay, मोर्गान एंड किंग 1975 रे मोर्गान किंग के अनुसार गोटे व्यक्तिर मोटिवेशन कहले कौन बुझा जिते कौन व्यक्ति बा एनिमल तार बिहेवियर को तार जो बिहेवियर रही से बिहेवियर को कौन सी जिनस को पाइबापी से बिहेवियर को जो से अप्लाई करे तो सेटा को तार मोटिवेशन कहले मोटिवेशन बोली बुझी था। सो हियर द पर्सन एंड एनिमल दैट ड्राइव्स देयर बिहेवियर टुवर्ड्स टू फाइंडिंग सर्टन गोल्स। ओके, that drives their willingness. Behavior means here the willingness or the desire or want everything to finding the goals. Drive means it is one type of activity of one body. Okay, So that activity may be it is will be willingness, desire, want. Okay, so motivation कहले जो गोटे व्यक्ति हो कि एनिमल हो तार willingness बा desire जहाँ रही सेई टाइप से बिहेवियर को जिते आप्लाय कला कौन से वस्तु को पाइबापी तो एवं से कौन तार लक्ष्य स्थल में पहुँचापी जिते से बिहेवियर को आप्लाय कला जे तार लक्ष्य स्थल किसी लक्ष्य स्थल पहुँचे तार बिहेवियर को आप्लाय कला ताकू मोटिवेशन कह जाए. Another psychologist known as Underwood in the year 1968, according to according to him, the motivations means that a operation that used to produce and measure change in the performance and change in energy output. When individuals require through the motivations, individuals gain the energy, okay, and also their performance will be changed, and their operation, the classes operations also be classes operation used for the producing and change the performance and change in the energy. Okay, so Underwood in the year 1968 1968 जो Underwood जो डेफिनेशन देते अनुसार मोटिवेशन गोटे व्यक्तिर मोटिवेशन को मोटिवेशन कहले कौन बुझे ना जिते जो व्यक्तिर जो व्यक्ति एनर्जी पाई थाए कौन सी गोटे लक्ष्य स्थल पहुँचापी हेले कौन सी रिक्वायरमेंट जो दरकार हुए से बॉडी रे एनर्जी क्रिएट हुए. ओके, एवं तार परफॉर्मेंस चेंज होता है. ओके, then another psychologist in the year 1960 the psychologist known as Guilford, according to him what is motivation? Motivation refers to all the internal conditions that stir up activity and sustain activity of an individual. Okay, so according to Guilford, the activity level of a person's become the activity levels of a person's becomes growth, that activity levels grows and it will be goes onwards. Okay, when according to Guilford said that according to the definition of Guilford, the activity levels become stirred up. Okay, the activity levels becomes the that persons feel a strong emotion at that time. Okay, and that activity will be supported. Okay, and that activity will be goes onwards. Okay, सो गुलफोर्ड अनुसार मोटिवेशन अर्थ होची ना जिते गोटे व्यक्तिर इंटरनल कंडीशन चेंज हो जाए एवं से इंटरनल बॉडी इंटरनल कंडीशनटा कौन हुए इंटरनल कंडीशन रे कौन हुए ना गोटे स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशनल फिलिंग आसे बॉडी रे इंटरनल ऑर्गन गोटे स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशनल व्यक्ति कौन करे गोटे स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशन फिलिंग बॉडी रे व्यक्तिर बॉडी रे आसी थाए. ओके, एवं तार एक्टिविटी गुड़िक सब कौन हुए ना एक्टिविटी गुड़ाक जहाँ भी से वांटिंग थिला से वांटिंग तार एक्टिविटी गुड़िक एक्टिविटी स्टेजटा एक्टिविटी स्टेजटा डेवलपमेंट हुए एवं एक्टिविटी जहाँ रही से आगे निए एक्टिविटी को से आगे नहीं थाए. ओके, so here according to Guilford is given good definition that internal condition of body will be changed and persons goes toward the a strong feeling and the person's the activity level of a person's becomes aroused and that will be more activated. Okay, and that will be goes on the action stage. Okay, to finding the goal. Okay, thank you. In the next class we'll discuss about the meaning of motivations.